Hello and welcome back to our channel Wristworthy. Today we are going to unbox and review a watch that you won't see on every wrist. A watch that promises Swiss quality and classic style without the premium price tag. The Mathey Tissot H7916 PLYS, a refined Swiss timepiece with its unique heritage. For those who don't know, Mathey Tissot is not the same brand as Tissot. Though the names are similar, both are Swiss and both have their rich horological heritage, but they are entirely separate entities with their unique legacies. The brand was founded in 1886 in Switzerland, and they are renowned for their precise and elegant timepieces. So this is how the watch was delivered to me, and the box has bevel texture. And the packaging looks to be on the premium side, which is actually expected from a Swiss brand. Let's take a look at the watch. This is a beautiful watch. Let's take it out of the box and let's see what else is in there. There is a leather card holder with the warranty card in it, and the watch comes with the warranty of 2 years. Let's remove the tags and the plastics. And let's quickly check the dimensions. The lug width is 20 mm. Thickness is about 6.2 mm. And the case diameter is 41 mm. The watch has gold-plated stainless steel case and it features a sapphire crystal. Swiss made is written on the dial at 6 o'clock position. The watch uses Ronda 515 quartz movement, which is a Swiss movement. It is a reliable workhorse and it will last for years. For the watch to be called Swiss made, the movement should be made in Switzerland and the casing and the final inspection has to be done in Switzerland. Watch has a silver color dial with sunburst finish. Indices are applied on the dial and there is no date window. The watch uses leaf, hour and minute hands and it does not have a second hand. Mathey Tissot and 1886 is printed on the dial and the hands and indices are gold plated. The crown is signed with Mathey Tissot logo, which looks like a peace symbol. I purchased this watch recently from Flipkart during the Big Billion sale and I paid about 5,800 rupees, which is equal to $67. And for this price, I believe it's a steal. I mean, you're getting a watch from Swiss brand, which is about 140 years old. Swiss movement, sapphire crystal, very sleek profile. What else can you ask for in this price range? At the case back, you can see the information like Swiss made, sapphire crystal, 50-meter water resistant, the model number H7916, stainless steel case, and the Mathey Tissot logo. Watch comes with a 20 mm genuine leather strap. It is thin and elegant and it's perfectly complementing the watch's sleek design. The buckle is gold plated and signed with Mathey Tissot. Unfortunately, the watch does not have any luminescent material on the dial or on the hands. Let's try this on and let's see how does it go on my 7-inch wrist. When you wear the watch, the first thing you'll notice is its sleek profile. With a 41 mm case diameter and ultra slim 6.2 mm thickness, the watch sits incredibly close to your wrist. It offers a refined and comfortable wearing experience and it feels lightweight yet very sturdy. Let's see how does it look when it's compared with Tissot every time. And this is how it looks when compared with Seiko SUR529P1. If you haven't seen our videos on Tissot every time and Seiko SUR529P1, please click on the link in the description below to check the videos. Now let's try the watch with some other leather straps and let's see how does it go. And let me know in the comments below which leather strap you think is a perfect choice for the watch. In conclusion, the Mathey Tissot H7916 PLYS is a compelling watch that blends timeless design, impressive wearability, and Swiss craftsmanship. This watch may fly under the radar compared to other well-known Swiss brands, but that's the part of its charm. It offers a unique opportunity for us to own a heritage-rich timepiece without the premium pricing. With its ultra-slim profile, elegant finish, and reliable quartz movement, Mathey Tissot has managed to keep things simple yet refined. While it may not carry the same brand recognition as a Tissot or Hamilton, H7916 is a hidden gem that offers exceptional elegance and value. For those seeking a sophisticated heritage-inspired watch without the hefty price tag, this watch is worth considering. That's it for our review of the Mathey Tissot H7916. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on Wristworthy. Let us know in the comments what would you like us to cover next. Until next time, keep it classy and stay wristworthy.